Hello, dear students. Today we are going to our first chapter in the world of designs. Yes, we are designing an object or anything by using a software called Inkscape. We can design our own images and also we can edit the images. We have already learned a graphics image editing software called GIMP. Do you know? Here Inkscape is also a graphics image editing software. But what will be the difference? Let us see. We have many images like raster image, vector image, etc. Here Inkscape is a vector image editing software and GIMP is a raster image editing software. What is the difference? Look, we have two pictures here, honey.png and honey.svg. It's honey.png is a raster image and honey.svg is a vector image. Let us see the difference. When we are opening honey.png, it's a raster image. When we are opening it and when we have zoom the image, we can see that the clarity is decreasing, isn't it? And at the same time, when we are opening, it's the two images are same. When we are opening a vector image and zoom this image, it's a SVG format, so it's a vector image. Then we are zooming the size, the clarity is not affected, isn't it? That's the difference between raster image and vector image. So now we are going to study about vector image editing software. Okay, then let us open the software. First, applications, graphics. Here it is, Inkscape Vector Graphics Editor. Just click on that. This is our IDE to create an image. In our chapter, we have an activity to create a banner. For that, we have to first create an emblem and paste the emblem onto a banner. Okay. Here, we are designing a cup and saucer for that emblem. Okay. Then, if you are not wanting this, we can avoid the border by clicking File, Document Properties. Here, Show Page Border. It's marked. Just unmark and just close the window. The border is disabled. Then we can design anywhere in this platform, in this white area. Okay. Here are tools, many tools are available. First, we can select Ellipse Tool, circle, ellipse and arcs tool. Just click on that and just draw. Just click and drag. Just draw an ellipse shape. Okay. And we can change the color here by selecting any color you wanted. Then we want a gradient color to this. For that, click on Object menu, then Fill and Stroke. Object, Fill and Stroke. A window is appearing. Here it's a fill, stroke style. Select the fill area and select on the radial gradient. Isn't it? Radial gradient. Here there are many nodes. By clicking on these nodes and by selecting or choosing the colors, the effects can be changed. Okay. First, click on the center node, then click on any color. We can give any light shade to the center and dark shade to the edges. Clicking on the edge node and create and choose a dark color. So a radial gradient effect is created. Okay, it's just an ellipse. If you want to select any object and to move, we can use the Select and Transform Objects tool, the arrow mark first. Okay, it's selected and by clicking and dragging we can move to anywhere. Okay, here now we can create the duplicate of the same object. We want the same object. For that we can take the duplicate. Select the object and click on Edit menu and duplicate, or we can use Ctrl+D. Okay, here a duplicate is created. Okay, then we have to decrease the size of the object by pressing Ctrl and Shift key together, and by decreasing the size we can decrease it by proportionally. Okay, so here another object, we can just change its gradient. Click on the arrow menu and click on gradient. The nodes are visible. Again we can change the color, just opposite, that is dark color at the center and light color on the edges. Okay, then now we can give a ring like shape at the center. It's our choice to create the object. Okay, again we can take a duplicate of the object, edit, duplicate. Okay, just move, take another duplicate, Ctrl D. Okay, another duplicate is created and resize it, Ctrl plus Shift, and just decrease. Okay, and it's two objects. These are two objects. So by selecting together and we can create a ring. For that, select one object and press on Shift key and select another object. Now it's all selected. Okay, then path, click on path menu and click on difference. Okay, we got a ring. We can decrease it its size and just move. Okay. Okay, and next we can give a lower portion. Select, edit, duplicate, and the size must be decreased. And move on to the object, and we want to lower the object, or the object must be lower the main object. Okay, then select it, click on object and lower. The object is lower to the next, then again lower. Okay, it is just adjust. So a saucer is ready. So it's a many objects are joined together, isn't it? Then we want to make it as a single object. For that, just select all. Just drag and select the all objects and go object menu and group, or control plus G. Object group. It's a group and a saucer is created. Then we can decrease the size or increase as our wish. Okay, so first part of this activities, that is a saucer is made. Thank you.